Welcome to the Storylinez tutorial. I am going to show you how to create your API keys step by step. This is essential for accessing the Storylinez API and using our SDK. The process is straightforward and takes just a few minutes. First, log into your Storylinez dashboard. Look for the settings icon, click on it to open the settings menu. Once you are in settings, you will see several tabs at the top. We need to click on the API keys tab. This is where you will manage all your API keys for different applications and use cases. Now, to create a new API key, click the Create New API Key button. You will see a dialog box appear with several fields to fill out. First, give your API key a descriptive name. For example, if this is for a development project, you might call it My Development Key or Vlog Automation Project. This helps you identify different keys later. You will need to select the permissions for this key. The permissions determine what actions this key can perform. Once you have configured your key name and permissions, click Generate API Key. You will now see your API key displayed on the screen. This is the only time you will see the complete key, so make sure to copy it immediately and store it somewhere secure. I recommend copying both the API key and the secret key that appear. You will need both for authentication. Never share these keys publicly or commit them to version control. Click Copy API Key and Copy Secret Key to save them to your clipboard. Then paste them into a secure location like a password manager or environment variable file. Now that you have your API key, you can start using it with the Storylinez SDK or direct API calls. In your code, you will typically set up authentication like this. Store your API key and secret in environment variables, then use them to initialize the Storylinez clients. This keeps your credentials secure and separate from your code. That's it. You have successfully created your first API key in Storylinez. You are now ready to start building amazing applications with our platform. Thanks for watching and happy coding!